in our store, so we're going there. We know sell a teeth, we're going to get teeth, and strolling, he's strolling. Yeah, busy doing. Busy. Alright, so chat. Just come from out to ASAP. Yeah, so I'm gonna go around at Geneva. I get like cow skin soup. I never bother go around there. I'm not even sure if I'm probably out, but I have to literally go around there and check and see. So this is the fit. I'm gonna change the slippers. Yay! See? Same handbag though. Yeah. Let's pick up 1 or 2 packages. Yeah, that I did not bought. Yeah. So heading back into Alpha Tree location. See you all in Alpha Tree, alright? Masa ini look full? Nossa! Maneva look over here, so I said it in there. Shots, mana lie. I look at handbag, look expensive in the cats. Yeah, we don't say cheap, but it just have a little expensive look. You understand? Yeah, while me I push it does look expensive. 472. Honest. And $7 for grapes. Chat we in a Brooklyn supermarket. Egg replacer elevates your culinary creations. Contain no eggs or eggs derivatives. Okay, so what is it? What exactly is it? It's from Green Hills. Coconut ginger sugar. Organic coconut ginger sugar, vegan. What? My dear. Strolling. He's strolling. Yes, chat me reach home as I can see. Alright, let's take these things out. It is business. This is the 18 pack one. 18 pack curves cotton soft stay dry cover regular maxi with wings. That is 18 comes in this. What else? Peanut punch. Pumpkin cock soup. Water. I'm gonna drink some right now. Whew. Bianca Fab. Mayonnaise. Mayo. I chatting along with the best sliced cheese. So you just pull it, take out one and take it out of the plastic, put it by your bread or whatever you want to use it on, or just eat it right out of the plastic. Two lightly salted peanuts. Grace bully beef. Cal's ketchup. Sardine. Plus, I think I have like one sardine left in the pan. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, so. But I have to add to it. Brunswick. Packages, packages. And this might be my thumbnail. Put the meat away. These in the fridge. Me say pass the chip on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the right hand side. Let me go right this one. Our receipt. The receipt. So chat, while I was in the supermarket waiting to cash, me and you said we have some people got in there and drink out the beetroot them and put on the empty bottle them back. And there was something there going. No, some people know for the better. I know time is getting harder, even though it's already hard. But come on, man, just go in at people in business place, take up whatever no one, drink them out and put them down. Ah, boy, so that's why the security guards are the workers of mafia watch. We're so hard. Although we know in our house, so we're going there, we know so that thief, you're going to get thief, you understand? We're going to go shop and come out. But if I watch all the way because they don't know who is who, so why? Then you could have go to the supermarket, got people them drinks and drink it out and put on the buckle as if they do nothing wrong. People doing that one must stop. When they need to stop it. That's not nice and that's not right. Oh, shot. I bought like a bonnet. Yeah. It's from the same person I did buy the pink bonnet from and the blue bonnet from in the Alpha Tree. That's what I buy the one here. Cute though. Oh, it's so cute. And y'all know red is one of my favorite colors. So red is my favorite color. The first color. Green, pretty green, is my second color. So yeah, I have two favorite color. Yeah. This is the bonnet. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. And so when you put on my one, it's on the road. In a response. Anyway. So yes. I'm gonna take this for the, like, you know, dry up. Are you just style? Yeah. Yes, I think for the drop, man. A little tighten. Hmm? But it's still nice though. So eventually I'm gonna put this on, but I really like it. Alright, chance, let's unbox this packages. Scissors. So never forget your Jamaican roots. That's what it says. So size medium. Oh, them is so small, but so it says small, but look like medium. And they put the small tag on the wrong shirt. How it go? So, alright, next. I want to say it's a Jamaican thing. You know, you know, don't understand. It's a Jamaican thing, you know, don't understand. Next one, size small, and it looks like medium. Same, same logo. You're not gonna understand it's a Jamaican thing. Same. And this is a medium. It looks like it says medium. Silver's medium. Yeah. This says small. This kind of like a small. Can see? Last but not least, nice. It's a crop top. She, nobody cares. Shh, nobody cares. That's what written on it. Can I see? It's cute. What size small. This looks like extra small. Cute. Oh, that's it for the unboxing. Nice, so I'm going to jump over the material. Alright, so this is this one of the small size, so the tag say. So this is it. So I like the 1 year, so me I keep the 1 year. All the other shirts are for the mom and the two sisters. Yeah, the red shirt is way too small, so pass it on to the smaller sister. So this is it. So chat, I will not be trying on these. Then that belongs to me. So the less salty peanut. It was good. Them creative dough bowl less salty. The fact that it's still having salt. So Janelle sheep.